What is going on, guys? Welcome to Greggles TV Daily, your source for daily tech news. Make sure you subscribe so you know what's going on in the world of tech. How is everyone doing? I hope you're having a fantastic day. We've got a bunch of big stories for you, so let's dive right in. Our first story, Galaxy Z Fold 5 received its second beta update, and it fixed things and it also left some things unfixed. So let's go through that list of fixtures first. So you can see, fixed the terminated issue when applying photo portrait effect in gallery. Next was they fixed issues where apps and widgets that are set up at home disappear. Fixed the terminated issue when entering text with S Pen on the Note. On Samsung Note, I should say, Samsung Note app. Fixed the display issue when resizing after changing orientation when you have multi-window open with 3 different windows. Fixed the taskbar not displayed intermittently. Many other improvements. I will talk about those improvements. I didn't notice I had any of those issues, but whatever. The known issues that remain are intermittent FC occurrence in camera, One UI system MUI. When quick panel is executed, empty screen is displayed intermittently. Navigation bar gesture home key does not work intermittently. Intermittent home screen operation error, background screen icon taskbar. Icon FC occurs when smart select crop is selected to edge panel in landscape mode. It was a gig update, but yeah, I'm glad that they pushed that out pretty quick. So, and that's kind of what I expected. So I expect another update probably in the next, probably 2 weeks. Might be a week, but I would expect probably the next 2 weeks we'll get another fix for that. And you can grab that right now if you're on the beta. One UI 6 on the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Next up, check this out. Ice Universe putting out that the 8 Gen 3 processor for the S24 Ultra, the score is 70% higher than the 8 Gen 2 for Galaxy with that Vulkan score of 17,134. So massive jump in performance GPU with that Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, which is going to be great for gaming. But if the games don't take advantage of it, then you won't see huge, leaps and bounds, That's the one thing that sucks about some of these companies that make games for Android is they make it so it's compatible with most devices rather than like, it's good with these devices, but it's going to be amazing and crazy with these devices, and you can go up to 120 frames per second. Even the 8 Gen 2 probably could do 120 frames per second with games like Fortnite or with games like, and at high resolutions. I don't mean 120 frames per second at low resolutions. I'm talking 1080p 120, and they could probably also do 1080p 120 on like a Genshin Impact, but the game developers just don't put the work in for it. So we'll see if they do this time around, but this is massive GPU and performance. And our last story of the day has to again be doing with the S24 series of phones. We've heard, that certain companies in certain areas will have the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, but what about USA? Is USA going to get half and half, or is it going to be all Snapdragon? Well, here's the information from Alvin, who's saying that all these Geekbench scores confirmed one aspect about the S24 series, which is the processor they are going to use. He says S24, S24 Plus, Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy in North America, Exynos 2400 in other regions, and that the S24 Ultra, the 8 Gen 3 will be in all regions, no matter where you live. So I don't know if he's going to be completely right with that in terms of the S24, S24 Plus. Sure, it makes sense that USA will use Snapdragon no matter if you're getting the S24, S24 Plus, or S24 Ultra, but is that going to be the only country you can get all three, or will it be like you can get that also here and there? But it remains to be seen. But get the S24 Ultra. Don't even hold back, guys, this year. Get the S24 Ultra, especially if you're thinking about getting any of the S24s. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Your question of the day is, are you planning on getting any of the S24s? If so, which one and why? Have a great day. We'll see you down the road. Peace.